Aquí andamos instalando zacate. We're out here installing some grass. Yeah, it's St. Augustine. Got some topsoil. I just picked up this new tiller. Agarramos este tiller nuevo. Está poderoso. Para que vean cómo dejó Kira. Aquí todo tenía zacate. Lo weedamos. We weeded it really low. And then we used a tiller. And then now we got this little bags over here of topsoil for around the tree. Agarramos las bolsas de topsoil alrededor del árbol aquí porque hay muchas raíces. There's a lot of roots for the tiller, so that's a brand new tiller. I don't want to mess it up. I already messed up a couple of them by doing that, but yeah, guys, right now is November going into December, and we had a long ugly drought this summer, and so what we're doing now is just repairing the grass. Tuvimos una sequía muy fea aquí en Houston y ahorita lo que andamos haciendo es pues arreglando el zacate, instalando zacate nuevo para que quede bien bonito. Este es el San Agustín que le dicen, para que miren, está bien, sí, está bonito el zacate. Para que miren, este es el zacate nuevo que estamos poniendo. Y ahí anda la bajolota. We're out here, guys, installing some grass. Nothing to it, just, you know. Yeah, well, let's get to work. Hopefully y'all can see good, guys. Let me see. So yeah, like I said, what we did basically was just weed it really low and put some topsoil on top. Either way, the grass has about an inch of topsoil and an inch of grass. Y como les dije, Rejita, nomás aquí andamos echándole ganas, instalando zacate. Ya sé que no he hecho muchos videos. Normalmente aquí le pongo como unas 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ahí andan 10, racita. Yeah, guys, so basically what we're doing right here, just to minimize the cuts, we're just laying them. I know some people sometimes lay them like this, but then you get a lot of cuts. So what we're doing is just laying them like this. As long as you have good grass, it don't matter about the lines, you know. I've been doing this since I was 13, and that's been the way that we've been doing it. It's pretty simple to install grass. Sí, Rosita, como les dije, muchas personas lo ponen así para que no se haga una línea recta, pero pues en estos jales tienes que utilizar todo el material, porque pues si cortas mucho no vas a tener mucho material. Y con que lo rieguen se va a andar pegando. Yo he visto también, como les dije, he hecho esto desde que tenía 13 años y aquí andamos, estoy echándole ganas. Un bloque, vamos a ver. Sí, exactamente ahí. Aquí andamos, aquí andamos. Aquí andamos. Looking good, looking good, looking good. You see this new grass, and it'll expand out that way. So, yes, sir. ¿Qué andamos, Rosita? Anda la guajolota, no se anda rajando. Now, guys, we're done with this one. Ya acabamos aquí de instalar este pasto. Como miren, todavía tenemos que sopletear. We still gotta blow, but yeah, guys, this is basically what we've been doing to stay busy during the slow season. So, yeah. Ánimo, Rosita. Si les gustan estos videos, denle like, comenten y suscríbanse. Aquí quedó este lado, pusimos ahí. And yeah, guys, see you on the next one.